The 79 series has been given the full treatment. We've got a bull bar on the front to protect the family, safari snorkel, intensity driving lights for our night driving, a worn 12,000-pound air-cooled winch. In the back we've got drawer systems on both sides, the Elements fridge, obviously for keeping our drinks and things cold. We run an awning out off the passenger side as well. We've got a 70-litre plastic water tank. We put a constant 500 kilos Old Man Emu spring in the back with an extra leaf. Old Man Emu BP51 suspension, put a couple of Recaro seats in there, and after a day on the tracks you can pull up a camp and jump out nice and fresh. I spent most of my younger years growing up four-wheel driving with mum and dad in the four-wheel drive club. We'd go out to places around the high country area quite a lot over the years. We used to come out here years ago and sit by a river and just camp for a couple of days at a time, and now I'm lucky enough to bring my girls out and we sit here and have a swim in the river. It's almost like deja vu. We've owned a bunch of four-wheel drives over the years, a couple of Hiluxes and a Ford Ranger. The 79 series was perfect to be able to set up for the family to do touring in some locations such as the high country or bigger trips like the Simpson Desert. We're so lucky in Australia to have so many beautiful locations: Victorian High Country, Blue Rag Range, Dargo, Woods Point, the Simpson Desert, Cape York, Flinders Ranges, just absolutely magnificent places that we can use our cars to get us into these areas that the normal vehicle can't get you to. Started my working career back in 1993 at a place called Little Automatics. Saw a position available at ARB in 2003 that I applied for as a sales position. Was lucky enough to secure the job. Gave me an opportunity to get into an industry that I sincerely enjoyed. It also gave me the opportunity to learn the business and learn the manager's side of things, which gave me the tools that I needed to grow. Without that experience behind me and the help that I got from ARB in those early days, I wouldn't be where I am today. Most people that work for ARB, they're passionate four-wheel drivers. They love what they do. They love getting out and using the gear, finding these locations, coming in and being able to talk about it during the day on their Monday to Friday jobs. And they love it, and my guys are no different. It's a really great team. There's nothing better than having the girls come out away camping with us, and the youngest one won't even let me help her put her swag up anymore. She loves doing it herself and really enjoys the whole setup of going camping, and then sit around the fire and cook our marshmallows, and then we lay down under the night sky. I don't think there's anything better than sleeping out under the stars. I love getting out and about with the family and into these locations, but there's a little part of me that enjoys getting away with the boys as well and taking it to its limits and using the gear for what it's designed to do. One of the things I really enjoy is when a customer walks in the front door and they've just bought themselves a brand new vehicle and they're planning and taking their families out to some of these beautiful locations, and we get to go through the process of setting up their vehicle for them. Sharing with my experiences what I've experienced over my time four-wheel driving in our store on a 9-to-5 basis. It doesn't become work for me after that. It's really just having a chat with a guy about decking out their car and where they're going to go and where their family's going to go and how much fun they're going to have. When it comes to escaping the 9-to-5, at ARB we get it!